There are two ways to enter in a final exam grade so you can calculate a semester grade in JMC. There's the easy way, which I don't recommend, and then there's a way that takes a little bit of work, but it calculates the grades more accurately because it uses the percentage instead of a grade point. Here's what I mean. The easy way I'm going to show you first. I don't recommend this, but some teachers do. You sure can do this. You can go under Edit to Course Grades, and you'll see there you'll have your quarter 1 grade, your quarter 2 grade, your exam grade listed here. You can actually come in and just choose an exam grade. I've got my 8th ref grading scale here. I could choose that grade for that student, and it will calculate 100% accurately the semester grade. But the thing to note is it actually uses the grade point that your office has determined. So if an A is worth 4.0 and 4.0 and this is 3.0, it's actually going to average those to give you the semester grade. Why? Because behind this letter B there's no percentage. Right? There's no percentage attached to that. So it can only take an actual value that matches up here, and that's going to be the grade points. And so sometimes that gives people a grade. They don't understand why these percentages, it's not taking these percentages here. It's because there's no percentage behind this letter B grade. So you can do that. It does calculate correctly the semester 1 grade with no problems whatsoever, but it bases it on the grade points, not the percentages. If you want it done on the percentage, here's what you need to do, and it's not very hard at all. You simply come in here under File to Preferences, under File to Preferences, and you make sure that this box is checked right here. Include exams in course menus. So check that box. There's no save button here, so you don't need to do anything. Then you go under Scores to Categories and Assignments. Under Scores to Categories and Assignments. If I'm working on this math class here, I'd come here to Math, and you'll see here's now my exam, right? This is my course menu here. So now in my exam course menu, I'll see exam. So here's Math, Period 2, Semester 1 exam. Okay, so you come to this screen right here. There's nothing listed there. You'll simply come in, add a category in, and you'll call this the semester exam, just like that. And what you can do to make this even easier is you can actually make this a standalone category. Right? Make that a standalone category. If you're a weights person, you can make it 100%. If you're not, you don't even need to worry about it. What's the max score? Typically it's 100 points, although it can be whatever you want. When is the date that it's given? Just choose the date listed there. So semester exam, make it a standalone category. Standalone category simply means that the category is going to be graded. There's no assignments underneath that category. Click Save. Here's my semester exam listed right here. Alternatively, I could have created a category. This is an alternative. You wouldn't do both of these. I could create a category called semester exam, and I could save that, and if I wanted to I could add an assignment underneath there called the exam, and I'd make that worth 100 points. Either way works. It doesn't matter to me, whichever one you want to do. But in a nutshell, if you just want to do it quickly, I'm going to delete this category out here. If you want to do it quickly, come in here, choose semester exam, make it a standalone category, give it the score, give it the date, and click Save. Then you can go to your assignment score screen. You're all used to using the assignment score screen. I would hope at this point, at this late in the year, you would know how to use the assignment score screen. All your kids' names on the left-hand side. You'll simply come in here and put 98, 78, 76, 68. Right. Oh, not 6. That would be a very low score. 67, 87. Right on down the list. So when you do that, then when you go now to your Edit Course Grades screen, of course this is the screen that gets sent to the office to be printed on report cards here. You will see that grade will be listed here for the exam. They're not all listed because I didn't get to them. How do you calculate the semester exam? You simply come in here, choose the weights, and say that my quarter 1 is worth whatever percentage that you want here. Quarter 1's worth, let's say, 45%. Quarter 2's worth 45%. My exam is worth 10%. Click OK. Then when I do that, it'll take me back to my Edit Course Grade screen. Oh, there we go. And now it calculates my semester grade based on the weights which are listed right here. So that's the two ways to do the exam. I strongly recommend you do it this way so it calculates it. It's basing the grade off the percentages underneath this overall grade. When you're done with this class, simply click Save, do all the rest of your classes, and as always, when you're done entering in all of your course grades, click Send Grades to the office for all courses. And then you're good to go.